beating Wolves is not a surprising result. I said how many goals did Chelsea score against Wolves, and it was 3 goals. Kopama scoring hat-trick, one of the strategy, but scoring his first goals in September early this season. So kudos to Chelsea. The downside for Chelsea is allowing Wolves to score, not keeping a clean sheet, because beating Wolves is not a surprise. Away from home, Wolves are the worst side in the Premier League. They are 20th position, carrying the league on it. I don't think they even have 10 points. I don't think so. So it is expected Chelsea beating Wolves, but considering goal, that is the downside of Chelsea. If you consider a lot of, apart from Brentford, Chelsea always concede goals, and it is sort out their defense, because their defense is making goals. Even for Sanchez, they have considered more than 1 goal today, but Chelsea well deserved 3 points. No, not too much, because expected Chelsea dominated, with more chances, had more shots. So it is expected beating Wolves at the West End in the Premier League. Kudos to Chelsea for beating Wolves 3-1. I expected more goals, but 3-1 is good. It's fair enough.